You can download JDK 8 by going to the Oracle website. Open the Java SC8 Oracle archive downloads. Scroll down. You will find the software according to your operating system. Please download as per your OS and bit size. So mine is Windows 11 of 64-bit. So I am downloading JDK 8 uh, for Windows 64. Once you click on that link, the Windows will pop up the screen of the download. You can click it and start the download. You will get this account login page of Oracle. Please sign in with your credentials, or else you can create a new account in Oracle site, and once you are successfully signed in, it will automatically start downloading the software. Once you download the software, you will get in the downloads. Okay, I have pasted the download in the E drive. After downloading the software, once double click the software. After double clicking the software, you will see this screen. Okay, so you have to follow step by step to install the Java software in your system. Please click on the next button. You click on the next button. So once you click on the next button, you will get this screen. So it was saying it will install the Java in C drive in program files folder. Okay, you click on next. Don't change the folder. You click on the next button. So it will start installing the Java in your system. Wait for some time, it will install. Yeah, so the Java is successfully installed in the system. Please click on the OK button. Click on next. Again, you will get the designation folder. It will start installing Java. So first one is JDK installation and next one is JR installation. This is in the Windows 11 operating system. So the minimum version of the JDK is 8. Okay, you have to use JDK 8 for Windows. Yeah, once you get this pop-up, so it was successfully installed. Java SC development kit was successfully installed. You can close the screen. So now we will check if the Java is successfully installed or not. Go to command prompt and type Java. And click on enter. Yeah, it was giving some messages. Okay, so it was successfully installed. You can also check the version of the Java, which version you are installed. Java -space version. It will give you the Java version. So 1.8 is our version, right? You can also check the Java is successfully installed or not. You can get in the C drive. So we are installed the Java in C drive. Okay, so we'll check in the C drive if it was successfully installed. When we go to the C drive, it was in the program files, right? Okay, so in C drive we got Java folder here. So the Java is successfully installed. So we will get two folders, JDK and JRE. Okay, so after getting these two folders, we have to do one thing. You right click on this PC and go to properties. After going to properties, you will find this advanced system settings. Okay, advanced system settings, and you will find environment variables. Okay, click on it. Click on new in system variables. So if you click on the new button in system variables, there will be a pop-up of new system variable. You have to write in capital letters JAVA underscore HOME. Java underscore home is the variable name, and we will copy the value and we will paste the value in variable value. Okay, we'll copy the value. So we'll copy the path of this JDK. This path we will copy it. We'll paste it in this variable value. So once you copy and paste it in the variable value, click on OK. Okay, once you click on OK, you can see the Java home in system variables. Okay, now you have to edit the path variable in system path. Go to the path. Once you click on path, click on edit button. Yeah, click on edit test. Edit test. Yeah, please click on OK. Yeah, just you don't have to change the existing values. Okay, just go to the last in that value, go to the end of that value. Yeah,
Wait about
so you have to put colon at last and you have to paste the value. You have to paste the same value. Control V.
it.
Control V.
Huh.
Yeah, you have to write slash bin, bin, small letters, b i
Beef.
bin, bin, colon. So you have to paste the entire path. If there is no colon at the end of the value, then you have to enter the colon, then you have to paste the path, and then you have to enter slash bin, and at last you have to put the colon at the end and click on OK. Then you again can click OK. 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 Again OK. So with this you have successfully installed the Java in your system.